Hello Globetrotters, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas, another episode. This is episode 21, I believe. Only a few more days until Christmas. And are you excited? I'm excited. It's a balmy 51 degrees here in the Tri-Cities. And I am on my way to Sam's Club to pick up my supplies because I start cooking tomorrow for Christmas. Yes, it's a 3-day affair. And so I want to make sure that I get everything and that I'm all ready to go. And I have most of the supplies at home already, but the fresh supplies like the vegetables and the meats, I need to make sure that I get those now and start prepping them, start seasoning and prepping them for the big cookout. But I also did not want to appear on camera today again without any concealer. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Lori. And in this community, we're a little bit off because we're celebrating Vlogmas, but usually we're all about everything travel related. Well, we're somewhat travel related right now because we're going to talk about some Christmas traditions that I practice because of my heritage and my national origin being Guyana in South America. So yesterday I appeared to you guys from a local park where I was doing my morning walk. So of course I wasn't like made up and all of that kind of stuff, but a little bit of concealer and some mascara go a long way for me, I see. And because I did my daily beat, and I showed you my daily beat at the beginning of Vlogmas in one of those videos, how I do my skincare routine. So I did that today, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of very neutral lipstick on. And by the way, during my episode about gifts, I showed you my birthday gifts, and this was in one of the gifts. I did not know that this pink would be so good, and I wore it in Amsterdam and I'm wearing it now. It's from Christian Dior, from that packet that I got with the bag and the lipstick samples. I think it was 3 or 4 samples and then a full-size lipstick in there. And this is called Rouge Dior Nude Look Matte. So it's Rouge Dior 100 Nude Look Matte. I don't know if you can see that, but I like it. It's just like a very matte pink, not very like Barbie pink, but it's enough to give me a little bit of, you know, color on my lips, and my lips look naturally lined already, like they're outlined already. But yeah, a little bit of running a brush through your hair and and some concealer, some mascara, and a little bit of lipstick go a very, very long way. So I'll show you my outfit if I get to any mirrors here in Sam's Club. I usually do not come to Sam's Club during the day like this. I'm parked so far away from everyone else because at this time of year, it's just crazy. Like, this person's trying to back in next to me and they don't look like they know how to back in, and I'm scared that they're going to hit my car when they come out. But anyway, whatever. I'm trying to focus, and yeah, that was a mess. They're gonna have to pull out and pull back in again. So what I want to do is show you a little bit of my Sam's Club location. And like I was saying, yes, that's what I was saying. Squirrel. As I was saying, I am going in now just because I need to get this stuff done and up for you guys. But usually I come not on holidays. And yes, it's the middle of the week, so I wanted to get it closer to the middle of the week than the end of the week when even more people would be here. I don't like crowds and shopping at crowds and just the noises. I don't know, whatever. So I prefer to come usually if I come during a busy time of the year or time of the week, then I come towards the end of the day when they have about an hour left before they close. And then there's usually not a lot of people in the parking lot and not a lot of people in the stores. But we shall see what's happening in here. For those of you who are new here, welcome. Thank you guys for joining, for clicking on this video. Make sure that you click that thumbs up button, all of you, if you are enjoying the video. As you go along, make sure that you click on subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. I still see that most of you have not yet subscribed, yet you come back and watch. You must like it here. And then, of course, make sure that you share this video with someone you know who would like this vibe as well. All right, let's go to Sam's Club. I don't know if you guys have ever been on that website that shows about Walmart, the people of Walmart, I think is the name of the channel. I'll put it on the screen. It is hilarious. Well, Sam's Club is owned by the same people who own Walmart. Sam is Sam Walton. So you're gonna see a similar element in here. Oh, by the way, if you know me, then you know that I'm obsessed with gum, especially extra gum. I'm as obsessed with gum as people who smoke cigarettes are obsessed with cigarettes. And I'll tell you this story at some other time, but, well, I might as well tell you the story now while we're going through Sam's Club. Basically, when we were young, our mother used to give us a half a stick of gum as a treat. And it wasn't even like, like the real gum. It was like some terrible gum, like some hard, what we call Chico in Guyana. And it would only be half a stick of gum for each of us. And the gum may even be like, sugar-free. And so I said to myself that when I grew up, I was going to make sure that I had all the gum. When I grew up and got my own job, I was going to have all the gum in the world that I wanted, all the gum to myself. And so my habit now is that when I buy gum, I buy quite a bit of gum. And I am that girl who almost always has gum on her. I have gum in the car. I have gum in my office. Ooh, they set up a sushi station in here. I have not been here in a minute. Okay. I know they moved all of the produce into this freezer section back here, so we're gonna have to go into the crypt to get some of our veggies that we need for the Pepperpot. So, ooh, and I want some oranges too. I love these giant oranges that you can just peel with your fingernails. It's so sweet. So sweet. So yeah, I come here only when I need bulk items. And since it's only two of us, oh, I don't need to go in there. The peppers are right here. It's good enough for me. All right. That's all I need. I'll get another one because I love to just eat the peppers by themselves. I just cut them up and, not even cut them up, I slice them open and then I eat them by themselves. Did they have any pears over here? Oh, I need onions. I need yellow onions. Yes, I do. But 10 pounds of onions? That's a lot of onions. I don't need that many onions. I'm gonna go somewhere else and get my onions. I will never use that many onions before they go bad. Yeah, so we like pears. So anyway, so yeah, I am a gum lover. And I tend to almost always have gum. I went through a period when I had my braces on when I was younger. And then recently I did Invisalign. And so I went through another period where I did not chew gum. And honestly, it was like torture for me. And that's how I know that I'm addicted to it. And I need to probably take a break and chill out. Okay, so now we're looking for the meat. And we're looking for stewed beef because I don't particularly care for oxtail. Matter of fact, I've never cooked oxtail. I don't know how to cook oxtail. So what I'm going to do now is look for some stewed beef in a big container. That's going to be enough for me to cook the amount that I want to cook. And here we go. New lower price. What is this? 4 pounds? 3.34 pounds. Okay, 3.37 pounds. I'm looking for about 4 pounds of stewed meat. I'm gonna get this one. Get this beef. Yeah, get the good meat. Then we're gonna walk around some more. I think I need some more seasonings. Now, traditionally, I'll tell you guys all about the history of Pepperpot when we start making it and there isn't so much noise around and everything. But traditionally, Pepperpot can have pretty much any kind of meat that you like that you want to throw in there, because it's basically like a leftover. It was originally a leftover pot of food, but It's become the national dish of Guyana. Yes, too many people here. Every time I turn, I'm seeing people. Ooh, I wonder if they have any of that Black Girl wine. I should show you guys my wine down routine. We got Veuve, we've got Martini. Do they have any of the Black Girl Magic? Estancia. That's a good one. The Prisoner. That's a really good one. La Crema. Let me see what's over here. Because I have a feeling like if you don't buy these wines, then they're not going to carry them anymore, you know? So I want to make sure that I show them that somebody's buying the Black Girl Magic wine so that they'll continue supplying them for those of us who want options. I don't see any. They must not have it. Oh, there it is, all the way at the end. It's a Riesling. I'm gonna get 2 of those. And we are good. Got our wine. Oh, I need seasoning. I'm gonna go back this way. Do you guys go and get samples from the food places, like in your malls and stuff like that? Or like here at Sam's Club, they have different foods and people go and get samples, especially like if you go on a Sunday. You see a lot of people come here like after church and people just turn the corner like they drive around here. She didn't even look to see if I was coming. But anyway, what they do here is they come after Sundays especially, and they shut down the tasting stations during COVID, but they have brought them back. And so people come here and sample everything, and that's kind of like their meal, especially like they'll bring their kids and they'll just all go and have like a full-on lunch from all the different sampling stations. And so Sundays are the worst time to come if you don't want to be in a crowd of people. So you heard it here first. Seasonings, 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 seasonings. Where are my seasonings? There you are. I need a big thing of garlic. And I need a big thing of Lowry's. Should I get some more cumin? I don't need that much cumin. But we do use a lot of Lowry's. We do use a lot of garlic. Oh, there it is. Garlic. Alright, got it. Organic garlic powder. I don't know what's the difference. But whatever. First you gotta see these lines. Think about. Like, crazy. Absolute insanity. This makes no sense. And I tell you, I can't get out of here fast enough. Yet here I am. I'm now stuck in a line just to verify that I didn't steal anything. And they're gonna scan about 3 items out of my cart, scan my receipt to make sure that the number of items sold equals the number of items in the cart, as well as whatever items are in the cart show up on the receipt, just randomly, and then I can go. And I will chat with you guys later. I hope I'm not finishing the vlog here, but if I am, then please make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you thumbs up the video, make sure that you come back tomorrow for more Vlogmas, because we will be cooking tomorrow, okay? God willing, we will be cooking tomorrow, so. Remember to value experiences over things, because travel is the only thing you buy that truly makes you richer. Ciao. See you guys tomorrow.